Hey guys, I'm Steve 2015 once again with an Omegle video. I still haven't uploaded my last video yet, but I've just been on here for a few hours and I just seen some little bitch crying at me. As soon as I mentioned YouTube, I wasn't recording at the time. He left. You should have seen his face. It was hilarious. So we're gonna find him again, and hopefully he's still crying like a little bitch. So hopefully it shouldn't take too long to find him. That's a good combination. Yeah. Tell.
Meow.
Oh. Meow.
Are you a YouTuber?
I am. I'm recording right now.
Wait, what?
I can't even speak English. Like, seriously, I have to edit my own fuck up.
Hey.
Hey.
Bro.
What's going
How you
on?
doing? I'm doing great. How you doing?
I'm doing pretty good, thank you. What are you up to?
On Omegle.
You recording as well?
Yeah.
Yeah. You know those. Right, just carry on.
It's okay, it's okay.
Damn. Are you recording right now?
Yeah.
Me too. What's your YouTube channel? MisFire Beatbox. Now, that is a sick name. I do apologise for the reaction I had before I saw your webcam. Didn't mean to sound so rude.
It's okay.
Holy, wow, you've got a lot of subscribers. One day I hope to have that many, but you do a good job, I'll tell you that. I'll check out some of your videos later as well. Alright?
I appreciate that.
Anyways,
Alright, man, you have a good night.
you too, see you soon. What's up, bro? Oh, I love it. You were so elegant. I just want to eat you up, like, whole, without a knife or fork, just with my hands, like, just shove you in my mouth, just deep throat. That's really creepy how you just holding our face. I know you're frozen either, and what the fuck, bro? Well, that's gotta be a thumbnail. Hint, hint. Yeah? Alright. Wow. What is going on tonight? I don't know. That is an epic mask. I wish I had an epic mask like that. I'm giving myself away now. Oh, should I give myself away? Shh. Yeah. I'm so glad. I'm so glad. You probably thought I was going to get my dick out or something. That was not my plan. I was just going to show him this mask. That's it. That's it. To the guys who worked at Jigsaw, made the film, I'm so sorry. I will probably edit this face out. Don't sue me YouTube, don't sue me whatever. Good movie, good film. You should give me like 10,000. I don't even know anymore. I've lost track. I like your recording set, by the way. Epic. The thing is, oh, sorry?
Yours as well.
Oh, mine's so technical, man. I'll be sweet in my mouth and just talk like this. Hey, what's going on?
What's happening, bro?
Nothing much, just chilling. Whoa!
What's up?
I like your hair.
Thank you.
Hi.
Now we're lagging. I'm sorry I had to do that. Share with your friends. Well, you don't have to, but you can. If not, just punch them. Like, dislike, subscribe. Just do whatever. I'll see you soon.
Yeah.